we've got an unboxing today. I'm excited. Sorry. I ordered a 3-month subscription to State Scrapes. I ordered that when she was doing live packing videos. It got me excited for her and inspired and that kind of stuff. So this is my 2nd month and let's just get into it. I'm too excited to wait anymore. So let's get into it. I love the box. Last month it just came in a poly mailer. The question is, how do we open them up? Like that. Hashtag rate your crate. Tell us what you think. Go. Okay, so here's my style quiz. So I ordered or selected a solid cardigan, yoga pants. Oh, I didn't know I did that. Printed cardigan and a long sleeve shirt with a print on it. So I'm going to set that there. And let's see what we got. This is what it looks like when I first look into it. Okay. I guess these are the yoga pants. Cool. They're Nike. Ooh. They're size large, but they're probably a kid's large. Did I order a large? I ordered a size 6. But they'll probably fit me. Oh, you know what? They used to have strings. The string's gone. I think I put the string in there by doing this. These might not actually fit me because they'll be super see-through. But they're cute. Look at this cute little detail and the ankle zipper. The Nike on the front. Yeah, I don't know if these are going to fit me. I wonder if they say kids anywhere. They don't say kids anywhere. We'll see. I'll try them on. Next, this is my solid cardigan. Okay, it's green. Let's see what brand. Incline. Yep, I got a medium. So this is a medium. It's just a green cardigan. Looks like there's ruching. I'll try all of this on for you guys. Okay, next, this is the printed long sleeve knit. This is Great Plains. And it kind of has like a peplum style. Not really, but like a flowy bottom. This is definitely not something I would pick out for myself. But I'll try it on at least. Okay. And lastly, I think I'm going to like this. So this is going to be the printed cardigan. True Freedom. And it's semi-sheer here. And it has these little detail on the front. Knit sleeves. This is really cute, actually. I'm excited. Okay. Let's try this on. All right, here's the leggings. Has the Nike there. Yes, different color gray here. They're long enough for me. They're definitely see-through though. So that's cute too. I like that. And it's not like it actually worked out. So they'll be all right. Next is this shirt. flowy. Has cinched arms. I probably won't wear this. This isn't my style. But it's not bad by any means. Nextly is this cardigan. Sorry, this is awkward. And it's what a medium, but it's definitely, I had to like squeeze in. So it's definitely runs small. And I actually don't like it as much as I thought I would. Darn it. There's the back. Cute little concept, but it doesn't work. Lastly is this cardigan. Cute little ruching here. I'm on the fence with this one. I don't think I like it either. Unfortunately, it's cropped here. 3/4 sleeve. Okay. Overall, this one's great. Unfortunately, wasn't good. I'm gonna try and switch everything on the Facebook group. It just didn't work out for me this time. I was really worried about that too. I even emailed Nicole and asked her, you know, like, I watch your crate packing videos and I see a style that's like a long sleeve print that I love, or one that I don't love too much and they might be in the same category. I think that she should probably add like age ranges, like 18 to 25 or something like that, you know, so you can get the styles for your age group and that kind of stuff. I'm looking forward to the next month's crate though. Hope it's good, and thank you guys for watching. If you're still here, hit the like button, subscribe if you want, and we'll see you next time.